Good morning, students. In this class, I am going to explain you about the USA of hotels. USA means Uniform System of Accounts in Hotel Industries. So basically, Uniform System of Accounts is a type of accounting which is going to used in the hotels. So in Uniform System of Accounts, it's not any kind of techniques, it's just is that all the hotels are going to use same accounting systems. So all the members hotels is using the same accounting system. So in that case, it is known as uniform system of accounting in hotels. So there are some advantages of USA and there are also some disadvantages of USA. So first we are going to know about the advantages of USA. First thing is transfer. So in that case, staff can be easily transferred from one hotels to the another hotels because the accounting system of both the hotels are same. Second thing is comparison. So anyone can compare more than one hotels of the USA easily because in the both hotels is the same accounting system has been used, so anyone can go through the expenses and incomes of the hotels easily. Third advantage is buying shares. So general public can easily compare the profits and losses of the member hotels, so they can easily decide of which hotels they need to buy the shares or which not. Lease or rent, again, because same uniform system of accounting is going to used in the members hotels, so both tenants and owner can easily compare the expenditure and income of the various hotels, and accordingly they can decide the rent value or lease value of the hotels. There are also some disadvantages of the USA. First is the existence of cooperation, mutual trust, and give and take. Because there are same accounting system has been involved in all the hotels, all the member hotels, so cooperation may be less. Second, obviously there are same kind of accounting system has been involved in all the members hotels, so they need to exchange their ideas and technologies free of cost. Third, also they need to exchange their informations related to the stocks, depreciations, etc. to member hotels free of cost. Fourth, there may be because there are same system of accountings involved in the member hotels, so it may be possible that there may be a sense of jealousy amongst the member hotels because every hotel knows about the profits and losses of other hotels. Fifth, use of common heads of records. So because same accounting system has been involved all the member hotels, so all the hotels will use same accounts heading to enter their transactions in the accounting system. Again, sixth one is related to the fifth. So they are using same common terminology and common procedure regarding the costs controls in the member hotels. So these were the disadvantages of the USA. So go through both the things, what is USA, what are the advantages and disadvantages of USA, and let me know if you have any questions, you have any doubts. Thank you so much.